From newborns in rural health centers to patients waiting hours for a scan in busy hospitals, the daily challenges of Fiji's healthcare system are all too familiar to many families. But help is on the way. Yesterday afternoon, a major medical donation from the government and people of Japan was officially handed over to the Ministry of Health in Suva, a contribution that's expected to bring real change to communities across the country. Chowali Rangoneliwa with this story.
The Ministry of Health received a major boost yesterday, over 10 million worth of medical equipment and ambulances donated by the government and people of Japan. The donation, which includes a CT scanner, 50 hospital beds, 8 infant incubators, 9 mobile X-ray units, and 6 new ambulances, was made to support and strengthen the country's public healthcare system.
It gives me great pleasure this afternoon to be here to accept the generous donation of medical equipment and ambulances from the government and the people of Japan. As you may be aware, this week it is dedicated to Parliament sitting, and our schedule together with the Honorable Assistant Minister is normally cleared for Parliament. However, today we choose to be here as we are amazed by the government of Japan's donation. Your Excellency, this is a huge gift to the government of Fiji and the people of Fiji, and more specifically to the Ministry of Health and Medical Services. I stand here this afternoon to receive it with our utmost gratitude.
The act of generosity reflects Japan's continued commitment to the people of Fiji, especially in times of crisis and recovery. The partnership between the two countries forged strongly during the COVID-19 pandemic and continues to bring meaningful change at ground level.
This assistance for medical equipment to Fiji health sector was indeed part of this our holistic socio-economic support package to the government of Fiji. And especially several years back, we experienced the challenges from COVID-19 crisis, and this is actually the ongoing effort ever since. Now, although we have the world has recovered from the impact of COVID-19 thanks to everybody's effort, we still have, of course, continuing challenges to address. We need to address, and that should be addressed, and we need to collaborate.
Some of the equipments have already been deployed to remote hospitals and health centers, bringing critical care to those who need it most.
I'm pleased to share that some of these medical equipment have already been deployed to healthcare facilities around Fiji where they are urgently needed and are now installed and used. The generous donations that we are receiving today is a continuation, ongoing partnership between the government of Japan and the government of Fiji, more specifically through the Ministry of Health. It has been continued for a number of years.
A gift of life, hope and healing was received yesterday afternoon, one that will touch the lives of ordinary Fijians across the country. Joel Rangoneliwa, Fiji One News.